Hongwei has 160 tons minus 550 tons are different. On the use of the die casting machines, the production of casting trusted by the customers. In solving complex shape and mold under pressure, a tightness requirement of high casting products has a unique technology methods. Product quality is stable. The products are. The company have auto parts, motorcycle, accessories, LED lamps and accessories, such as aluminum and zinc alloy die casting. Products sanitary with aluminum zinc alloy, die casting, electrical shell die casting, etc. Product materials: aluminum, zinc, lead, iron, Mg, etc. Surface treatment, heat treatment, polishing, PVD, CVD coating, galvanized, electroplating, power spraying, painting, and so on.